One quiet, snowy, cold afternoon, I was watching my TV on my sofa. Then Linda calls out, "Hello, Austin. Do you want to play snowball fights?" "No, thank you." "Oh, you want to play, yeah? Hey-ya!" Then she kidnapped me away. When I wake up, there was 2,000 people she kidnapped is there. She yelled to everybody, "Let's fight my brother!" "Okay, now I will give you guys, everybody 2 RPGs. Give you. Then she yelled, "Let's go fight!" I used my 2 RPGs to kill 20 people. But Linda is more braver than me. She used super Austin snowstorm to kill 2,000 people. It's already like the enemy's head. So cool. She's so brave. Then we win. She will let us go. She will not kill us. Cause she beat her brother again.